Today is 7th October, Tuesday market, and let's see the news for today. We have a Chinese bank holiday, so other than that, trading is going to be good today. There's going to be good trading, and trading is going to be fine today, I feel, since only the Chinese bank is on leave. Now let's go into the monthly. So on the monthly, we are on a clear uptrend. On the weekly, we are on a clear uptrend. On the daily, we are on a very clear uptrend. And let's see on the 4 hours. On the 4 hours, the last good 4 hour zone was right here, and we missed this entry because we couldn't get a confirmation on this trade from 3820. But after that, there's not many good zones on the 4 hours. But on the 4 hours, we are again on the uptrend. All right. So let's go into the 1 hour. So this was the zone that was drawn yesterday during the live session yesterday. I'll put the card right here. This is the 3920 region, right? So this will remain very valid today. If we can see if price continues to go back down, this is going to be a good region. You can see this liquidity after grabbing the New York lows of yesterday and then tapping into the 50% region of Asia. It's going to be an A plus setup. So this is a very good setup. This will be, if this order block fails today, I think we can see price going for buys from this region, right? Which is the 3900 region basically. 3900. So we have one order block at this 3900 region, and then we have another one from 3920 region. Now let's see if there is anything very quick today apart from this. So apart from this, we can see on the 15 minutes, there is this zone which I just drew before this analysis, before I started the daily analysis. But I would say this zone is not that valid because we can see that price hasn't taken the high, right? So price hasn't taken the high yet. So I don't know if this zone is going to be valid, but nevertheless, I will still enter if the zone gives me a good confirmation, I will be entering. And apart from that, we can see yesterday's buy zone, right? We can see yesterday's buy zone right here. You can see yesterday's buy zone, which is right there. So we have 4 buy zones for today. All right, it's very easy. The bias is very much on buy. I would say do not go for a sell trade no matter how A plus setup today is, right? So no matter how A plus setup today is, do not go for a sell setup. Always look for buy on goals. And there are 4 very major zones for gold, right? You have 3960, you have 3940, you have 3920, and then you have 3900. So every 200 pips, you have a very major zone and a high probability zone for gold to go for buy. My A plus setup will come from 3920 region, right? But we have a long way to go, and do not expect gold to give that much of a retracement. So with confirmation, you can go for the 3940 region. And right now, as of the close of Asia, we can see that we are yet to tap the price on the 15-minute. Maybe you can go with some confirmation on. So once the price taps the 15-minute zone, move on to the 1-minute zone. Try to get a change of character. And if you can, then try to go for a break of structure. And once that is done, move on into the 5 minutes or the 3 minutes or the 15 minutes, depending on where you can find an OB. higher the time frame, it is better. Usually I go for a 5 minute. Once price gives you a change of character and a break of structure, for example, price gives you a change of character and a break of structure, we can move on into the 5 minutes, find the relevant OB, and target the existing highs. If you are going to be going for new highs, right? This is something I wanted to tell. If you are going to go for new highs, let's just say you're going to be taking a trade from this 30-minute zone, right? 3940. First TP should always be 1:2, 1:3, or the Asia highs or the existing highs already. Okay. Post that, you can hold the remaining parts of your trade as a swing. You can use remaining part, take out major partials, and hold with cost to cost SL, or trail your SL to the recent swings, and you can hold for swings up to 4,000 basically. All right. So that should be the trading idea. Go for existing highs. Let me quick up, like, let me quickly sum up today. Go for existing highs, go for only buy setups, and go wait for price to do its thing, wait for a good correction into a good zone, into a good discount zone, and only then enter into buys. All right, I have marked out the four major zones for today, uh, which will be 3960, 3940, 3920, and then 3,900. Okay, so these are your major plays as of today. So let's see what price does today, but I am expecting price to go higher again, or at least before this week ends, we will definitely see the 4,000 price being breached. All right. Do try to hold some positions off for swing. Take out partials, take out major partials, set break even SL. Try to reduce the risks for for price reversing on you, because I will show you the last time price made an high. So this was last week Tuesday, same time last week Tuesday, right after Asia session, we saw a huge sell-off, huge correction, because price made a new high, right? What did Asia do today? Asia started off by taking off the previous day high and making another new high, and it is yet to break this point, and you can already see the prices coming down a little bit. All right, so once that is done, once the new high is created again, you saw price has gone all the way down. Once price takes out another high, you can see the huge correction, the huge sell-off. So that is something you don't want to be caught in today, right? You don't want to be caught into the sells. So try only for buys and only go with confirmation. And yeah, this is my trading idea as of today. And we'll see what happens. If you guys do have any other trade ideas and suggestions, do drop it in the comment section below. I will be reading and replying to all of you guys. And do subscribe to the channel. Do follow me on Instagram. I will be posting my updates on Instagram. And do join the free trading community. The link is all in the description. I will also pin it to the recent comment. So yeah, that is it. You guys have a great day in trading. Have a profitable day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you. Mwah.